Hi, hello, namaste, Sasriyakal and Adab. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So, today's video is going to be very special to me because this is something which I wanted to talk from a very long time. And the topic for today is reading. Now, many of you, if you're following me, which you should on Instagram, you know that I'm a very voracious reader. I had started reading from the age of 10 to 11 years old, okay. I begin off with some teenage books, some then I've read fiction, non-fiction, and so on. So my story for some another day. So a lot of DMs I get about uh, how do you manage to stay motivated to read, and what sort of genre should we read, what kind of book should we you know initially invest in. So I'm going to solve all your problems on reading the books. I'm going to give you tips and tricks and also my experience with books. Okay. So first of all, I've heard a lot of people telling, you know, which book should I buy, this one or that? Because I have so many friends who are in my 30s, in their 30s, and they are going for books which are so fat and thick. Because we feel like, okay, buying books like Hardy Boys and Enid Blyton, those teenage books, we are at the age that we do not want those books because what people will do. No. See, if you're a beginner, go for teenage books, Hardy Boys or Reader's Digest and Enid Blyton's. Please go for this famous five because the age has got nothing to do with the book. Even 10 12 years can read books of Sidney Sheldon and so on, and even 30 plus can read books of Reader's Digest and others. So first of all, let me get you clear on this, that age has no connection with books. You can read any type of book at any point of time and at any age. Okay. Next thing is, how do you keep motivated to read a book? See, I do not get motivation from anywhere. I get motivated by myself. Okay. So there are some days when I will read a book like in 2 days I'll finish a 500 pages. Then there are days when I would take one book and sit for 2 months straight without even touching it. During these COVID times, both the COVID times 2020 and 21, I had read so many books. In 2023, I read none of them. And then in 2024, I took a part as a resolution. I kept it as a resolution that for a year I will read 12 books, of which I have completed my 8 books. So there are few more books, but I do not know when I'll complete it. It may take 1 month I can complete. I may complete it in 4 or 5 months. So I don't know. So I think when you're reading, only if you're feeling motivated to read, if you feel like you read, there's no deadline, there's no pressure, nothing. Just read it for the sake of, you know, reading. That's it. Read it because you want to read it. And it's okay if you're not motivated. And sometimes what happens is, start a book. In between, you're dead tired with those books. You're like, I don't read this. Because there are times when I've tried to read again and again, but I couldn't read some books. Then just close that book, keep it aside, take another book and start fresh. It's okay. It's okay. Don't have, because what I like, you may not like, and what you like, somebody else might not like. So yes. And the next point is, what type of genre? Like, how do you identify what type of genre you are into? See, for me, genre has been changing. When I was a kid, I used to read all those Enid Blyton, famous five, the stories collection. And then later, I started romantic novels. Then afterwards, I went for autobiographies. Then non-fiction. So currently, I'm interested in Japanese literature. I'm reading the books written by Japanese writers. So there have been different phases. You can't tell like every full whole lifetime you'll write like only romantic novels. It will based on the instances in your life, your moods, your likings. So read a few books, like 1 or 2 books in different genres, and then definitely I'm sure you will understand while reading a book itself, like, okay, this is a book I want to read and this is a book I do not want to read. Or you can also go online and read a synopsis of the book, then you can decide whether you want to read that or not. And next thing, I prefer physical books. Okay, for some people Kindle or अपने audiobooks, those works, but for me it doesn't. I don't know why. I've tried audiobooks, I have tried Kindle, but I feel sorry, physical books give me the best reading experiences. I like holding the book in my hand, I like to turn the pages, the smell of the books, the bold writings, I totally love it. And I love to have a book next to my bedside table, which I always do. So yes, if Kindle and audiobooks work, that also is fun. And then, where do you buy your books? So I buy most of my books recently from Amazon because there is a lot of sale going on. Now and then they put some sales. Even Flipkart may let you. Bookstores also I go, but the thing is, bookstore me you take a lot of time to figure out which book. Whereas online you can sit at home and you can look 2 3 days ahead and just put it into the cart and buy it. But if you're okay with bookstores, sometimes even what I should do is try to see the summary and synopsis and what book I want online, and directly I would go tell the name of the book and get it. वो भी कर सकते हैं. And if you have a library near your home, it's best. You can go there also buy, because you don't have to invest. Suppose if you're a college student or a teenager, you don't have to invest in books. You don't have money. So even when I was in my still my college time, what I used to do, there was a library near my home. I used to go there. I think 15 दिन के लिए 3 books मिलते थे. Per year 100 rupees fees. Now I also inquired it's 200 rupees, but there are not much books over there, so I prefer to go and buy the books. So you can do that. You can go for a library and rent. And sometimes feel before I used to not buy books, I used to borrow books and give to library and all that. But now I feel like building a library. I have more than 100 books in my mini library. So मुझे collection करना. ऐसा नहीं है collection के लिए मैं इतना books लाऊं नहीं. I buy 2-3 books. I keep on adding. It's like the collection of so many years. So you can do that. And next, sometimes like when you are reading a book, you get transferred into a different world. You आप सब कुछ भूल जाते. There are days when people used to call me for their branch, whatever plans, and I've also cancelled a saying because I've finished this chapter. उस हद तक I had like reading books. So currently I'm reading on Japanese literature. So I love those type of books. I try to experiment with genre also. If somebody has given a good review of a book online, I go and look into it. But it doesn't mean like what I like, you like, and what you like, others like. So explore on that. And I think we have covered, lot of, you know, yes, we have covered all of them. All of them. I think reading is something which will always be there. Okay, then reading books, it doesn't mean only you have to read fiction, non-fiction novel. You can read any small magazines. You can read newspapers. That also counts. Reading is reading. Even one line or one paragraph a day counts. So make it a habit, because I'm sure you'll love it. So do not go to buy big books, because I have told you. Start with smaller amount and see what you find interesting, and I'm sure you'll figure it out. So that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, and peace out.